Welcome to Texas Law Encounters, your home for raw police footage. Consider subscribing to the channel and leave your comments below. Remember, all suspects are innocent until proven guilty, and as always, enjoy the video. On March 3, 2023, a deputy with the Harris County Sheriff's Office was cruising around looking for cuties when he came across two white men wearing what he described as filthy and funny-colored clothing. Suddenly, Cheech covered himself in a golden tarp and took off into the woods, while Chong froze like a stone deer in headlights. Fortunately for our deputies, substance abuse and cardio don't go hand in hand, and Cheech is about as fast as an elephant seal on land.
Hey, how you doing? Let's go and turn around. Let's go and turn around for a minute, okay? You're detained. You fit the description of investigation going on.
What's the investigation?
I'll explain in a minute. You got another friend out here?
Another friend?
Yeah. 42025, got one detained.
I want to detain 1431. Under control?
That's clear. Were you camping?
Huh?
Were you camping?
Kind of got stranded or something.
Okay.
Call back and that minor and Toyota.
Is there another person out here?
There is, sir.
There is?
Honestly, sir, yes.
Where are they at?
They are at the location, like, I mean, was that you that was coming in the woods?
No, it's my buddy.
Well, that's around that area where he was at. So.
Okay.
I'm just being honest with you.
I really appreciate it, dude. I'm gonna go ahead. You got any drugs on you that you know about? Anything 16 poke
I
me?
have a drug, but it's not illegal. It's like the Delta 8, the cartridge from the smoke shop.
It's no problem then.
Okay, I was being honest with you. My hand right here.
Alright, that's no problem, dude.
Can I put this in the row?
Stay on a citation. What is that?
It's from my teeth. Especially from my teeth. I just got it.
Well, since you're handcuffed right now, I don't want you to like do anything. So
like, I mean, could you just like put the
in a minute I can. I don't want to hurt your teeth either.
Edward 33, clear needing into back. Edward 33 on the disturbance.
You know what I mean?
Okay, you really want
Last
to.
minute, go ahead.
It's a roll.
40 Mary 15, I apologize.
I paid $300 for it.
Clear.
So you said the other suspects are still at the location?
Yes, sir.
Mary 15, clear my last call information, no one else, please.
But like, so like, what's up with the investigation?
Clear.
Really, I mean, I don't think there's, I don't know. My partner said there's people running, and that's just kind of suspicious, and so he called for backup, and here we are. And you fit the description, okay? That's all. You admitted that you were over there, so I appreciate that, but now we have to get a talk, okay?
Yeah, 1960 Rayford information.
Okay, it's marijuana.
Clear.
No problem. Delta 8, legal.
A couple of these pipes ain't mine. I mean, that one's mine though. That one.
42 Frank 20, you can clear the traffic hazard information.
But I'm out of vape on me.
Clear.
What's this right here?
Oh, there's a fucking nose holding to my friend's Volkswagen.
Oh, cool.
I don't have no gun on me.
Any available unit with a mobile if I can check by with 41 Edward 14, 10,330, 303 North Freeway.
How many of y'all were there?
Just the two of us.
Just two?
Yes, sir.
Why is your homeboy not with you, man?
Oh, cause like, well, honestly, I didn't know that was, like, I'm gonna be honest with you, like, okay, cause the officer, I guess he was coming up in the woods, and I didn't, I couldn't tell through the brush. So I took off running. I said, hey, bro, is somebody coming?
Hold on.
I thought somebody gonna start, like, cause motherfucker will shoot you, like,
Air 25 on east, man. What's going on?
So I didn't know, like, if you wanted somebody to catch a little, like, land or something, so I got scared and I ran, like, I didn't know if it was officer. That's why I know. I'm being totally honest with you, sir.
Yeah.
Hour 25 is on.
I'm on east. Air 25 is on east. What's going on? Go and sit down. Yeah, I got one of the suspects. He admitted that he was camping and stuff. He's got some marijuana pipe. He's got like some bullets in his pocket, some Delta 8. That's about it. He said there's one outstanding, just somewhere out in the woods somewhere.
Yeah, they were trying to go to a house. So, hold on. Hey, can you tell me your location?
You want to know my location?
Cheech must have thought that he was out of the woods. After all, the police were distracted with Chong. Unfortunately, Cheech was so high that all he had to do was look around to realize that he was, in fact, in the middle of the fucking woods.
Hey, hands up, hands up. Turn around, hands up. Turn around, get up. Just get up, man. Okay, just get up. Get up. Let's go. Get up.
I don't even know why you touching me, bro.
Relax. Get up. Let's go.
While Cheech was getting removed from the woods, Chong came up with a defense for his actions. Get this. While he was illegally camping on someone's property, he heard a sound in the woods and decided to run. He had no idea it was the police. How convenient.
I didn't know that he identified himself as an officer.
He said that, but at the same time, you know, you did say you're in the woods and stuff, and if he's saying one thing...
What I'm saying is, I couldn't really clearly see who it was running up on me, or much as I didn't hear him even say Harris.
Man, that's your defense.
Because look, why would I run from him and I run from you? I had plenty of space to at least try to run from you.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? You saw me. I didn't hesitate. I stopped, and I answered all your questions, dude. So why would I run from him and I run from you? That's retarded, dude.
I don't know. Just, that's your defense, man.
The charges been taken for evading, both of them.
I'm sure it has, bro. But that's a misdemeanor, bitch ass charge, bro. That's fucking discretionary, bro. You don't have to take them to jail for that shit. I didn't know that you were fucking law enforcement. If that's the case, I should have ran from him, then, bro. It's fucking bullshit. But I am.
You've had run-ins with the law before.
Here the fuck I am, motherfucking being stopped and everything, and all this bullshit. I didn't have to fucking stop. I could have kept running, dog. But it's all this shit don't stop me or not. So why would I run from him and not run and stop for him?
People do weird stuff all the time, man.
I don't do weird shit like that.
Y'all living in somebody else's lot.
We're not living over here, bro. We got stranded last night, alright? I'm not some fucking piece of shit ass bum dope.
Yeah, you did, because you actually trespassed last night. You went at the end of the road.
Yeah.
That's
I got left last night here, yes. And I wouldn't want to fucking drive this, so that was my motherfucking fault, bro. Alright, sir? So, all this bullshit got me in a fucking whole ass hole. I'm a fucking dumbass little bitch, bro. So now I got stuck in this fucking bitch ass position, fucking stranded out here, fucking trying to find a goddamn little spot to fucking literally take a fucking nap until fucking, you know what I'm saying, and you wake up and walk all the fucking way home.
According to the slip, the last known location was Tia Pancha at 10720 Airline, inside of a red Charger.
How do we get out of this neighborhood? Hey man, what's up with all the car keys in your bag?
Car keys?
Yeah. Why do you have like 4 different sets of car keys in your bag?
That was it.
It was in the black bag, yeah. The black champion bag.
Somebody put them there. I didn't even do nothing. But somebody put them.
Somebody put them there?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright man, what's your name?
Huh?
What's your name?
James.
What's your last name?
Cragen.
What?
Cragen.
Cragen? Spell it.
C-R-A-G-E-N.
C-R-A-G-E-N?
Yeah.
First name is James?
Sir.
What's your date of birth? What? So you're how old?
36.
What's your address?
I currently don't have an address.
Okay. You got a phone number?
I don't. Well, I actually had a phone. I fucking lost it. I just got my phone. It's one of the government phones. I don't know number. I don't know my number by heart.
Alright. Hey man, you ain't never had a traffic citation or nothing like that?
No.
You don't drive? You've never been arrested? You've never had none of that?
No.
Where'd you get all the ink at then?
My homeboy.
Your homeboy?
Yeah.
Alright. Never arrested, never pulled over. No, I don't buy it.
Zachary and Walker, or as I like to call them, Cheech and Chong, were arrested for a slew of charges including retaliation, burglary, unlawful carrying of a weapon, and evading arrest. Chong managed to get all the charges dismissed, but was placed on parole for 5 years. Not sure what happened with Cheech, but I'm sure he's somewhere between Saturn and Jupiter, if you know what I mean.
Hey, bro, y'all two officers, bro, I got respect for y'all, dog. You know what I'm saying? The nigga's a whole ass nigga right here, bro. Y'all, I got respect for y'all, bro.
Just sit there. Thank you, buddy. Just sit.
I hope you feel good about this whole ass nigga. Pussy ass nigga.
You might wanna sit first and then turn, okay? So face me.
Straight pussy, bro.
So face me and then turn. Okay.
Bet your wife ain't even fucking you right. That's probably why you got no fucking attitude, nigga. Bitch ass nigga. I hate hoe ass niggas like you, dog. You're a pussy, bro.
I am?
Yeah, you're a little pussy, bro. That's why you're a cop, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because I bet you without that gun and that badge, you're a little bitch ass pussy, nigga. I bet you wouldn't show up without that gun and that badge talking that shit, nigga. I bet you would, nigga.
Okay.
Okay. Well then, fucking let me know then.
All right.
Shit. I ain't fucking worried about none of that whole ass pussy shit you talking about, bro. Believe me on that, bro. A motherfucker be nice and respectful and fucking nice to take a nigga to jail. Fuck you, nigga. Shit.
Wait, they're taking us to jail?
Yeah, nigga, we're going to fucking jail, bro. Because of this fucking whole ass fucking lawman, nigga. But, Jack, I'm going to some time, my boy. Like, nah, fool, I got fucking jail, fool. I'm going to some fucking time, dog. Look, homeboy, you're gonna get out. You're gonna get a care about it. You're gonna get right out, homeboy.
42, 23.
Don't even worry about it. Trust me, fool. Look, you're gonna get right out, homeboy. You're gonna get a PR about it.
With 364.
Love you like a brother too, dog.
That's clear, 1604.
But look, though, this is a business being recorded. You do time, you can do like fucking not even a couple weeks, bro. Like you're good. So don't even sweat this shit at all, bro. I wish I would trade you charges right now today, bro. But look, dog, when you get out, just be good. If we don't, nothing, fool. And stay cool, stay safe, and look out for Savannah for me, dog. Yeah, look out for Savannah for me, dog. Look all the kids we got left, bro. I gotta get fucking done this. Oh, no. I don't even know how long I'm taking, man. Nothing wrong with how long I have to do, bro. Hey, he said, can you loosen his cuffs, bro? His cuffs are too tight, bro. I know that nigga hears me, nigga, cause I heard the recording thing on front was a little pussy ass, bro. That's why I hope somebody beats his fucking bitch ass up someday, bro. He's gonna fuck with the wrong person one day.
My fingers went right through it. Like you just try not to put pressure on it, that's it.
Man, nigga, obviously it's too tight, bro.
My fingers went right
Man,
through
shut
it.
the fuck up. Shut the fuck up, nigga. Shut your bitch ass up, bro.
I cannot look anymore than they are.
Shut the fuck up, bro. Shut your stupid ass up, bro. You're a piece of shit ass motherfucker, dog.
Thank you.
You're a hoe ass nigga. Fuck you, dog. Your mama's a bitch too, nigga. Yeah, I said your mom's a bitch, nigga. Yeah, ha 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 ha. Funny, huh? You fuck with me taking me to jail behind some bullshit because your bitch ass can't yell loud enough to say sheriff's office. Well, nigga, I'm talking shit to your bitch ass now, nigga. Your mama can suck my dick, nigga. How about that? Your mama can suck on all this big ass dick, nigga. Oh, fuck your mama. How about that, nigga? That's some motherfucking bullshit. I'm going to jail, taken away from my fucking kids, because your motherfucking ass wants to just take me to fucking jail just to get your little bonus, bro. You're a selfish fucking piece of shit, dude. You probably don't even have kids, dude. But I bet if one of your kids fucking died like mine, I bet you fucking, you understand how the fuck, what I'm going through. But I bet you sure fucking don't, because you're a piece of shit ass cop, motherfucker, bro. That's why they finna cut y'all's pay raise down anyways and shit. And a bunch of y'all all finna lose y'all's job too, dumbass. That's why you always see on the news that people kill cops and stuff, because of shit like this. And that's why cops are fucking scared to come fucking by themselves to go handle a call, because they're a pussy. Because they can't go handle shit by themselves. They gotta call little squad buddies to come suck their dick with them. But me, I'll go handle shit by my motherfucking self. I don't give a fucking 10 motherfuckers, dog. With ARs, AKs, come on with it, bitch. I'll go in that bitch by my motherfucking self. You know why? Balls to the wall, 'cause I ain't no fucking pussy ass, hoe ass cop like you, nigga. You're a pussy ass hoe, nigga, and your mama raised a bitch. A sorry ass nigga, you must have got dropped under your head, hoe ass nigga. Piece of shit ass hoe. I hope you die, bitch. I hope you die, bitch. You're a piece of shit motherfucker, dog. Like I said, all this shit I'm going through, my fucking son just passed away, you don't give a fuck. You're a bitch ass fucking hoe ass motherfucker, selfish ass motherfucker, dog. That's why motherfuckers act like you see a motherfucker off duty, you act scared and act like you don't know a motherfucker because you're really scared, nigga. Just remember that, yeah, you won't be doing a little smiling shit, cause yeah, I bet you can't fight. Scary ass nigga. And if you think so, go ahead, pull over somewhere, nigga, come try it. Cause I bet you only do it when I have handcuffs on, nigga. I bet you won't take these hoes off. And I bet y'all won't run. I'm gonna fight too, nigga. I'm a fighting motherfucker, dog. I'm saying if that's what you want to do, then we can do that then. You can pull over and take a swing at me then. Bitch.
The vehicle's gonna be pinging.
This whole ass nigga shit, nigga.
Stop, man.
Fuck you, nigga. Make me stop, nigga. What you gonna do?
Why did you hit the patrol like that?
Fuck you. Fuck this car, nigga. Cause you're a piece of shit, ho. I'm going to jail behind you cause you're a piece of shit, nigga. That's why.
You're gonna damage my patrol, man.
I don't give a fuck. Fuck you and your car, nigga. And your mama, nigga. And your wife. And your kids, bitch. Shut your bitch ass up and don't say a motherfucking word to me, nigga. You got the right to remain silent, nigga.
You're gonna hurt yourself.
I'm not gonna hurt myself. I'm gonna hurt the car.
You're gonna hurt yourself.
Oh, I'm gonna hurt myself. I'm not a pussy like you. I'm not scared like you, bro.
Bro, you're gonna hurt yourself.
I don't care. I don't care.
Okay.
Fuck that.
What are you doing now? You're gonna hurt yourself.
Okay, well, I guess I'll hurt myself then, How about that, nigga? Oh, it hurts so bad. You made me hit my head. Oh, I'm hurt. I'm hurt. Nigga talking about his car. Fuck your car, nigga. Fuck the police, nigga. Y'all have a bunch of pussy ass niggas, dog. Probably got bullied in school, so now you trying to get back at everybody else, hoe ass nigga. Yeah, haha, you know it's true, huh? Yeah. You get bullied in school, you had no hoes. See me, I didn't get bullied in school. I bullied the bullies, nigga. And I had all the bitches. I got all the pussy, bro. I bet I fucked way more hoes than you ever fucked in your life, bitch. Shut your bitch ass up, hoe ass nigga. You a hoe. Your mama's a hoe. Your daddy's a hoe. And you a hoe.
Come on. Thank you, guys. No, he's okay. He's cool.
Which way?
Here, just follow me.
Thank you.
Yeah, you got it. It's okay. I got you. I mean, you've been polite and helpful, and I'll give you that, okay?
Yes, sir.
But I got my gun. I got the gun. Just come and get. Okay, just go in here. Just stay right there.
Thanks for watching Texas Law Encounters. Your support makes this possible. If you want to see more police interactions, subscribe to the channel or become a member to get early access to new videos. See y'all in the next one.